If you're thinking about buying HUAKE Limited, there are a few crucial things you need to know before making a decision. While it offers some unique features, it's important to weigh the pros and cons and compare it with other options available on the market. Stick with me as I break down the 7 key things you need to know before you make your purchase. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that if you're interested in giving HUAKE Limited a try, you can get the best deal and even test it out for free using the link in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. First, if you're used to software from other competitors, you might notice that HUAKE Limited stands out because of its user-friendly interface. Unlike some other platforms that require steep learning curves, this one is designed to be intuitive. Even if you're not tech-savvy, it won't take long before you feel comfortable navigating the system. But, is it really that simple for all users? We'll talk more about that in a bit. Next thing you need to know, HUAKE Limited offers some competitive pricing options. When you compare it to similar tools in the industry, especially in terms of features, its pricing can be considered a great deal. However, be cautious of the pricing structure. Some competitors offer more flexibility with tiered pricing plans, which might be better suited for businesses looking for custom solutions or scaling options. So, make sure to double-check the specific package you're getting to ensure it matches your needs. The third thing to keep in mind is the customer support. In my experience, their support team is fairly responsive but doesn't offer 24/7 availability. This could be an issue for companies that operate in multiple time zones, especially when you're in a tight spot and need urgent help. In comparison, many competitors offer round-the-clock support, so if that's a deal breaker for you, it might be worth considering other options. The fourth thing that you need to consider is integration. While HUAKE Limited works well with a range of third-party applications, it's important to confirm whether it integrates smoothly with the software you already use. Some competitors, like non-competitor name, offer more comprehensive integrations right out of the box, while HUAKE Limited might require additional configuration or add-ons to work well with your existing tools. Next, let's talk about the performance and speed. HUAKE Limited performs well for the most part, but I've noticed it can occasionally slow down during peak usage times. This might not be an issue for small teams or casual users, but if you're running a larger operation with high volume traffic, this could become a concern. Other competitors in the market are known for their more robust performance under heavy usage, so make sure to evaluate the software based on your needs. Now, the sixth point is about security. HUAKE Limited uses industry standard security measures, but it's always a good idea to stay updated on what's being offered. Some of its competitors go above and beyond with additional encryption and security layers, offering extra peace of mind to those handling sensitive data. If data protection is a priority for your business, you'll want to compare these features carefully before committing. The seventh and final thing to know about HUAKE Limited is that while it does have a strong set of features, it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for something with highly specialized capabilities or advanced features, you might find other competitors offering more customizable solutions. HUAKE Limited is solid but is geared more toward ease of use rather than extreme customization. So, if you're seriously considering HUAKE Limited, make sure to check out the first link in the description below to get the best offer, plus access to a free trial so you can try it for yourself and decide if it's the right fit for you. Don't miss out on exclusive benefits by clicking that link. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more detailed reviews.